Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in mixtures. Friends, problem is given in the description box. Please go through the problem first. See friends, 30 liters of mixture contain petrol and diesel in the ratio 3:2. So friends, let us divide 30 in the ratio 3:2. 30 by 5, 3 plus 2, 5. 30 by 5 means 6. So 6 into 3, 80 liters of petrol, 6 into 2, 12 liters of diesel. Friends, now 10 liters of mixture is removed and replaced with pure petrol. Friends, if 10 liters of mixture is removed, then petrol and diesel are drawn in the ratio 3:2. So, now 10 liters is drawn. 10 liters dividing 3:2 ratio means 10 by 5 into 3 into 2. 10 by 5, 2. 2 into 3. 6 liters of petrol is drawn. 4 liters of diesel is drawn and replaced with pure petrol. So plus 10. Plus 10. So 12 plus 2, 22 liters. This is 12 minus 8. 12 minus 4, 8 liters. Friends, now again 10 liters of mixture is drawn. Friends, if again 10 liters of mixture is drawn, then petrol and diesel are drawn or come out in the ratio 22:8. So friends, 10, 22:8. 22 plus 8, 30. 10 by 30 into 22. So 22 by 3. 22 by 3 liters of petrol will be drawn. Now the remaining petrol, 22 minus 22 by 3. Minus 22 by 3, that is equal to 66 minus 22, 44 by 3. Friends, now we want the percentage of petrol present in the mixture. So petrol remaining petrol by total mixture into 100 and 0 cancel. 440 by 9%, friends. 440 by 9%, that is the percentage of petrol present in the mixture. Thank you.